This product in the video is our latest semi-automatic stacking machine. It is widely used in the packaging of various goods in the food, medical, hardware and other industries. It has automatic belt feeding device, easy to change belt and high efficiency. The remaining belt can be discharged automatically, improve production efficiency and free up labor. The parts of the pattern are precision processed by computer numerically. Control the machine to us, so its inconvenient maintenance quality is very reliable, few failures, and convenient maintenance. If you want to know more about us, please contact us on Alibaba.com.